To transfer funds from one account to GCash, you'll need to start by ensuring you have a balance in your account. Log in using your username and check your current balance. If you have sufficient funds, you can proceed to link your account to GCash. Open the GCash app, navigate to the Links Account section, and select the relevant option from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions, entering your username and password to complete the linking process. Once linked, open the GCash app, navigate to the Cash In section, and select the source of funds. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After transferring your funds, verify that the transfer was successful by checking your GCash account balance. If the funds haven't been deposited, double-check the transfer details and contact customer support if necessary. With your funds now in GCash, you can use them for various purposes, such as paying bills, purchasing goods and services online, sending money to friends and family, and more. GCash offers a range of features and services that make managing your finances easy and convenient, with some transfers being free of charge and others incurring a small fee. The process of converting funds is simple and straightforward, allowing you to easily transfer your funds and start using them in GCash.